skidsteersolutions.com and our visit to Barstow, California and Arrowhead Rock Drill. First thing I want to show you is the R70 breaker. I'm going to start at the top with the mounting system. It's a 5-bolt system where you just remove the 5 bolts, put on any couple that you want, including a skid steer plate. It's just 5 simple bolts, it comes off. We have the patterns for all the major manufacturers. We also have custom configurations available. Simply check the options. Right beneath that, we've got our actual dampeners. There's a dampener on the top and on the bottom. This keeps it from the impact of the breaker getting transmitted back into the pins of your machine and causing damage and extra wear onto your machine parts. Right below that, we've got the gas charge valve. This is where you check the valve or check the gas pressure as well as adjust it. And you're only going to do that on constant use over maybe 1 to 2 years. Here we have our control valve system. It's the simplest in the industry. It keeps the oil separated from the actual breaker mechanism, so you can actually take this valve off and you don't lose your gas charge. Your gas charge is completely contained up here inside the chamber. So this can be serviced, you can check it, you can change O-rings or whatever without having to recharge the breaker. We come down here. This is one of the simplest pin containment systems in the marketplace today. It simply consists of a little rubber donut. You pop the donut out, and I can't push the pin out right now because it's actually holding a tool in here. But from the back side here, I just use the same tool and I push the pin out the front, remove the tool, put a new tool in, slide the pin back in, and put this donut back into place. And it's that simple. One of the things that we've been mentioning all along about Arrowhead rock drills is they're highly reliable, simple to use, and even simpler to maintain. Every Arrowhead rock drill breaker has one of the simplest and most reliable power drive systems available in the marketplace today. Every machine that you ever buy one day will require service. And if you have to service one of these units, you'll be happy that you bought an Arrowhead rock drill breaker because they have 3 simple components inside. This is the gas charge chamber on the top. This is the piston located on the inside. And then this is the main drive sleeve. Any barnyard mechanic can take this apart and service it, do a complete service and seals on this in under 2 hours. If you ever have occasion that you have to do this, you'll be glad that you bought Arrowhead. You can give one of our professionals a call through our 800 number, or if you feel confident enough and you know exactly what you want, you can go on our website and purchase directly. We offer a full stock of parts. We offer all of the different options. It's all available at skidsteersolutions.com.